In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add alert in TradingView. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set an alert that watches the market for you, so you don't have to stare at charts all day. First, log into TradingView and open the chart for the symbol you want to monitor. Make sure you're on the correct time frame and that any indicators you rely on are applied to the chart. Alerts use the chart and indicator settings you choose, so it helps to have everything set the way you want before creating one. There are two quick ways to start an alert. The most direct is to click the bell or alert icon on the top toolbar to open the alert creation panel. If you prefer working directly on the chart, you can also right-click anywhere on the chart area or on the price scale and choose Add Alert from the menu. Both paths lead to the same settings window, so use whichever feels faster for you. In the alert settings, begin with the condition. This tells TradingView what to look for. You can base it on a price level, such as when price crosses a specific value you type in. You can base it on indicator signals, like an RSI or MACD condition you've added to your chart. You can even tie it to a drawing tool, for example, when price touches or crosses a trend line you've placed. Pick the source and the type of comparison that best matches what you want to catch. Next, choose the trigger frequency. Decide whether the alert should fire only once the first time the condition is met, or every time it happens. If you're tracking a recurring signal, choosing an option that repeats can be helpful, while one-time triggers are great for key levels or news events. Set the expiration. You can choose a specific date and time for the alert to stop checking, or make it open-ended so it keeps running. Take a moment to confirm your time zone settings so the timing lines up with your trading hours. Add a custom message. Keep it clear and specific, so when you receive the alert, you immediately know why it fired and what symbol it refers to. Avoid including any sensitive information. A short descriptive note works best. Choose how you want to be notified by ticking the relevant options. Pick what's most reliable for you so you never miss an important move. Finally, click Create or Save. That's it. Your alert is now active and will monitor the market based on the rules you set. With this in place, you can step away confidently while TradingView does the watching for you.